Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel The Binary Bard. In today's video we are going to learn two very important keyboard shortcuts. Know first. Recovery of deleted tabs in browser. Let's open the Chrome and open some tabs in it. Now I delete the tabs. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus T button to recover the deleted tabs. Here are all the deleted tabs. Second shortcut is about the use of Windows plus arrows keys. I can minimize the open programs and maximize it by pressing Windows plus up and down arrow keys. I can shift it to sides by pressing Windows plus right or left keys.